This is Wan Jing from Cloud Plus. Today I'm honored to be here to introduce our solution. For Cloud Plus, we are a technology-driven company. For us, we are based on our 4 technology pillars, which are sensors, video image, positioning, and robotics. We are using different kinds of connectivities such as 4G, LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, BLE, or Wi-Fi. With all these connectivities, we are able to bring all our technology pillars together to bring an integrated solution driven by data for our clients. Our end target is using the data to drive the solution so that the client can fully utilize this integrated solution to help them to run the operations, to improve the efficiencies, and in the end, finally achieve the digital transformation. So today, I'm going to share with you our solutions. First of all, for our core design philosophies, we are using IoT technologies to assist the operation. Then we also have the workflow applications to ensure the work quality. We also leverage on AI solutions to automate certain processes. So our target is to collect the data for future excellence of our clients' continuous operation. As you can see on the slide here, we have a data, we have traceability, and we have execution. For us, our target is to use AIoT solutions to bring all the gears together so that to drive the operations of a company. So let me bring you through for the detailed solutions. So for the services we are providing to our clients, we have the development for enterprise AIoT applications. We have the AIoT system maintenance and support. We also have the AIoT solution consultancy services. With all the services bringing together, we are able to deliver a quality solution for our clients with the in-depth technology driven by AI and IoT. So the final target is to drive the client's operation to the next stage. So for our clients, we have quite a number of different clients in different sectors, including those renowned companies and also some of the local agencies. As we can know, for traditional logistics solutions, we are bounded by intensive paperwork. You can see every documents and then every cargoes they are shifting translated into tremendous of paperwork for the operation side. Then those paperwork in the end require a lot of data entries. So in the end, the operation quality are also very data entry dependent. The last part will be the operation. So a lot of operations in the warehouse in a traditional fashion is driven by a human, which are being done manually. So all these constraints bring it that the logistics solutions must be having a digital transformation so that they can smoothly drive the full applications and then be able to bring the solution to a next stage. So for our logistics sector products, we are actually having a fully connected warehouse solutions which address the needs from incoming goods coming in from unstaffing and staffing. And then in the warehouse, we have the real-time locating system, which as well as the forklift applications. So when the cargo coming into the warehouse, we are able to have a full traceability of the cargoes. And for the cargo staffing and the releasing, we also have the relative solutions to address the needs. So in the end, pertaining the cargoes incoming and outgoing of the warehouses, we have a full turnkey solutions to enable the client to use it and leverage on the systems to drive the operation. So this is an overview of our cloud connected warehouse solution. So we have a cloud cargo locate solution, which is mainly to locate the cargoes in real time in the warehouse. We also have a cloud measure solution, which is measuring the cargoes in real time. We also have a cloud cure solution, which can enable the drivers to do a self-collection and delivery of the goods. We also have a cloud sense solution, which can automatically detect the incoming and outgoing containers and automatically push the jobs for the forklift drivers. The last part will be the cloud workflow solution, which we are doing a job dispatching for all the warehouse operations. So with all the solutions integrated together, we are coming this smart warehouse management system, which is a connected warehouse solution to enable the warehouse operations. So for us, we are very proud to be the Huawei Cloud's partner. With Huawei Cloud, we are able to grow with intelligence. As currently we know, Huawei is one of the leading cloud suppliers. It's not only leading in the solution itself, but also leading in the technology. So with the AI solutions provided by Huawei Cloud, we are able to have more capabilities to process the documents, process the data in a more efficient way by leveraging on Huawei's AI solution. And for Huawei Cloud, it's also a future-oriented solution which have a world-class hybrid clouds which can address the needs of the warehouse operation, which certain data are in-house while some of the data must be on cloud. The last part will be the trustworthy. For all the securities, Huawei has the world-class security facilities and the solutions for the Huawei Cloud. So with the data on Huawei Cloud, the client will have a very peace of mind when they are choosing Huawei Cloud. The last part will be the local supports. Huawei provides a lot of local supports which enable us to have a tailored infrastructures for our clients locally and also easily can help them to go globally. This is the connected warehouse solution from Cloud Plus. As you can see here, we have the real-time communication layer which are comprised by the Cloud Locate solution, the cargo manager, and the container recognition solution, as well as a kiosk and the AMR AGVs. For those solutions, we are able to ingest all the data together to enable for the operations. For cargo locate solution, is mainly to locate the cargoes in the warehouse in real time. For the cargo measure solution, is measuring the cargo's dimensions in real time. For cargo recognition solution, is actually recognize the container numbers in real time. For the kiosk, is able to provide those documentation works for the drivers so that they can easily do the cargo retrieval and delivery. The last part will be the AMR AGV or the automated forklift for the future warehouse operations. In the middle, we have a data processing layer, which we are ingesting all the data from the real-time communication layers, which we are able to do a relation definition of multiple source data. We are also be able to fuse all the data together to enable the operation. We also have the data analytics capability where to analyze the incoming cargo and outgoing cargoes to plan for the future better performance. We also have the data mining capabilities to detect the potential mistakes and then to enable the job quality. On the application services level, we have a unified data platform which are able to unify all the data from different solutions and provide integrated platforms for the client to refer to. We also have a cargo tracking solution which are tracking all the cargoes in real time. We are also able to plan for the operations by using our operation planning modules, which the warehouse managers can plan for their future day-to-day operations. The last part will be the workflow applications, which all the warehouse operators can rely on. They can use these mobile applications to perform their day-to-day operations. So for us, we are leveraging on multiple services provided by Huawei Cloud. The first one is the elastic computing server. With the elastic computing servers, we are able to deploy our solutions efficiently and with a good performance. The second part will be the data ingestion services. For us, we have a lot of data, either is real-time or near real-time. So based on different kind of data sources, we need a strong data ingestion capabilities. This is where the Huawei Cloud can provide us with. The last part will be the document database services. As we know, in warehouse, we have quite a lot of different documentations. Either it's a PDF file, it's an image file, or it's maybe even other formats of documents. So with the Huawei's document database services, we are able to host them together, seamlessly transfer them, and then utilize them in different services as well. The last part will be the optical character recognition. For optical character recognition, we are actually using it to recognize those documents which being sent by the customers or being sent by the warehouse. So those OCRs can help us to turn the unstructured data into a structured data so that we can use them efficiently and effectively throughout the whole applications. For us, we are addressing all these different challenges in the logistics sectors. As we can see, a typical logistic warehouse operations will involve from head office, warehouse, picking, packing staff, different clerks in the warehouse, so that in the end, any part of the operations here, if there is a miscommunication or there is a data breakdown, it will translate into operation errors, or even sometimes it will cause a huge cost to the clients. For us, we are actually using the technology to address the gaps in between. We are helping the warehouse to perform a digital transformation, which we are having different process redesign as well as the workflow app to fit in the overall solutions. For our target is to allow the warehouse to transform their operation so that they can have a lower operation cost and they can have a higher value jobs for their warehouse operators. So here I will go into more details of our smart logistics solutions. The first part, as you can see here, we have a smart warehouse management system. So for us, all the clients can actually apply for their services online. With the cloud, we make it a possible solution. No matter where your client is, with Huawei Cloud, you are able to access those service applications effectively and efficiently. The clients can either choose to fill in the full form or they can fill in partially of the form and upload certain kind of documents for us to continue the application process. So once the application is being done by the client or by the final customers, is able to display as a job inside our warehouse management system. So any jobs that is being scheduled will be managed by our platform. So with the cloud, we are able to manage all these jobs worldwide. And then we are able to plan the operations even days or weeks ahead of the real jobs coming into the warehouse. Here is more about the log management. So as we can see, normally for the warehouses, we have different logs residing in different warehouse or different modules. With our system, we are able to dynamically arrange all these logs and manage their occupancy and the utilization. For us, we are also able to plan for the goods so that in the end, all the different goods can have a better combination of the storage efficiency so that in the end, it's more convenient for them to do a exporting or importing process. The last part will be the cargo inventory. So with the cargo inventory capabilities, the clients and the warehouse operators are able to see the inventory in real time. They can know where are the goods about, when are the goods planning to be shifted, and all these informations will be at one glance of the warehouse operator. The last part will be inspections. For certain goods, the clients would require the warehouse to perform an inspection regularly. With our modules, the warehouse operators will be able to perform a real-time inspection so that they can upload their inspection results into our platform. All these results will be reflected here for the management review. Second part here, I'm going to introduce a cloud workflow, which is a workflow applications. As we know, nowadays, all the people will rely on mobile app to perform their job. With the new era, more and more employees will be able to perform a better job if you are equipped them with a mobile app. For us, our mobile app is carefully designed with the warehouse operators so that ensure that the operation procedures are carefully designed so that the workflows can meet the day-to-day operation needs. For us, the clients can manage the unstaffing job, staffing job, receiving and releasing jobs by using one single mobile app. Inside the mobile app, the clients can follow the step which has been designed previously so that they can continuous having this kind of operations in real time. The last part, the warehouse operators will be able to see those warehouse in real time. They know where are the available locations, can the cargo being put through. They are also be able to be aware of what are the operations going on in the warehouse as well. Next solution I'm going to introduce is a cloud cargo locate solution. So this cloud cargo locate solution provides a real-time location information of all the cargoes inside the warehouse with a small tagging to the pallets, forklift, or even workers. So in the end, the warehouse operators or warehouse managers will have a real-time view of all the movements inside the warehouse without physically presented at the warehouse itself. With these capabilities, we are also able to record down all the cargo shifting, cargo movement informations so that the warehouse can plan for their future operations by leveraging on those data. So as you can see here, we can have a small tag which is on the right hand side. The client can choose to equip the pallets with these location tags. Once the location tags is linked to a certain pallet, its real-time locating information will be stored in the mobile app or maybe on the web portal. This solution will be a cargo measure solution. So these cloud measure solutions are utilizing on 3D imaging technology. So it's providing a measurement of the cargo's length, width, and the height. With the 3D cameras, we are able to measure those pallets up to 2 meter by 2 meter by 2.5 meter. So all the cargo measurements do not need to go through a very difficult manual process as well as manual data entry. Just need to scan the cargo so that all the information will be recorded in the backend automatically. This part is a cargo sense solution. As we know, all the warehouse operations are heavily rely on the container. For us, we are able to recognize a container number in real time. As you can see here, all the loading bays will be equipped with sensors and cameras. With the sensors and cameras, we are able to take the real-time photos of the containers which is at the loading bay, which our system can convert the image into a container number. With the container number informations, we are able to assign the jobs to the forklift drivers so that they can continue the operations. As you can see here, a container has been parked at the designated loading bay. Our system is able to capture the container numbers in real time with a high accuracy so that it could enable the subsequent operations as well. This is a self-serve kiosk. As we know, in a warehouse, a lot of paperwork are being done manually so that they have to pass all the documents from one department to another department. Sometimes they do even need to come down and queue at the counters so that to get the paperwork done. For us, we transform the concept by letting the job being done in the back end. So in the end, the drivers just need to bring the collection receipts, just do one simple scanning, they are able to receive or release the goods to the warehouse. So with the label printers, the paper printers, and also barcode, QR code scanners, we make all these things possible. The last but not the least is the robotic integration. For us, we have been working with different kinds of robotic vendors. With our Cloud Plus robotic control capabilities, our warehouse management system will be able to interface to different kinds of robotic solutions. So, pretending either is a AGV or an automated forklift. With all this capability, we make the future warehouse operation possible nowadays. Okay, let's do a quick recap. With all the solutions that Cloud Plus is providing, we are able to enable the warehouse to have the connected warehouse solution. With all the connected warehouse capabilities, we are able to address all the challenge that the warehouse is facing nowadays. With Huawei Cloud, we are proud to bring this solution to next level, which we are possible to unlock more capabilities of the connected warehouse, and then to bring our clients to the next era of logistic operation. Thank you very much.